Hey guys, welcome to my video again. Welcome back to my video again. Today I'm going to teach you guys a new lesson. The lesson is all and every. All and every have similar meanings, but they are used in different stretches. There are plural and singular. When you use all, you have to put with plural. When you use every, you have to put with singular.
Pen su egli a plur all a cane number su hudo plural a communal metagila a pen su egli a glow a plur la me every a cane number su hudo singular a communal metala a jira.
Now I want to give you guys an example. Our children need love.
Egli a surplus children me wear plural now a whole pursuit hudo all ni law a communal potaco and any loba taeta queen law.
Every child needs help.
Egli tagato plus child me wear singular now a whole pursuit hudo every ni law communal potaco and any loba tamason ni law.
All cities are noisy.
Egli tagato cities me plural now a whole but su twe do all a communal siwe we go pradene so se we da do mani law.
Every city is noisy.
Egli tagato city was city me we singular now a whole but su twe do every a communal meta this so do we go pradene so se we da do mani law.
Please switch off all the lights.
Egli tagato lights me we plural now a whole but su twe do all a communal siwe with a su ma pegui mo ko pradeke.
Please switch off every light.
Egli tagato light me tagato singular hope ba su twe do every a communal sitane me we this so do with a su ma pegui mo ko pradeke.
I have written to all my friends.
Egli tagato friends friends me tagato plural ho baba su twe do all a communal sitane yakwe odako yati ko ko ga de ni lo.
I have written to every friend I have.
Egli tagato friend me we singular now ho baba su twe do every a communal sitane me da this so do yakwe odako yati ko ko ga de ni lo.
But now we can use all, but not every. Now we don't use every. I like all music. Don't use I like every music.
Egli tagato music me we singular now ho baba su all but ba su all every ba tagato ya communal si we ta su wi sa sir ta data u ko kha de ne ye e lo.
That's wrong.
Don't use that.
Now another one. We can use all with some singular countable nouns to mean every part of the whole of.
A communal ne egli tagato la me all ne ba su o se le ba to hu o do tagato le ba hu o te se ba le me singular no ne tagato plus no le ba su to do all ne ko o we da ni lo.
Now we can see the compare.
Okay, Bugatiba egli atagato li pl over kiglu odo atalo so.
She was here all day. That means morning to night.
Pasenya lo all ne babasu twe do plural now ni lo. Basa do mimi tagato di ya phoko ne. Di egli alu la owe so awe si tsu we lo d a y s de ba. Li klo we ya communal si we awe owe be phe yi do tni klo li ni lo.
She was here every day. That means from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Pagatiba do egli suweda every ne su twe do day ni lo. Di egli alu la tagato owe so ne. Le li klo awe ya phoko edo si we communal awe he owe phe yi ko ni de ni lo.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll have all.
Okay, ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Okay, ready?
All and every have similar meanings. Look at Uncle Book.
Again.
All and every have similar meanings. Book. Wanna hear? Bye.
Say thank you so much, guys.
Thanks,
Say.
Thanks, YouTube guys. Thanks, YouTube. Oh, thanks, yeah. Thanks. Don't use slime because your finger is dirty and you need wash in the soap. How old are you? I'm over 4. Hey guys, welcome to my video. Don't you dance? Don't you wanna hear? Bye.
Say thank you so much, guys.
Thanks,
Say.
Thanks, YouTube guys.